On most roofs, when they build it, they will use one of these roof jacks for the dryer vent. Now, there's a couple of reasons why these are not good. Number one is it's like 3 pieces of metal that are crimped together. So over time, the crimp will become undone and it won't be sealed. And then rain will get into your pipe, which could cause a lot of damage. It could rust out your dryer vent and cause a really expensive repair. This one was taped up on the roof because it was falling apart. So I let the customer know that they needed a new one. Another thing is that these dampers are very flimsy. Only thing holding it on is this rusty little pin here. So most of the time, if some lint gets stuck on top of it, or it gets a little bit bent out of shape, and it won't open completely, and it will seal the complete dryer vent, which is super dangerous and a really bad fire hazard. Another thing is a lot of them won't close properly. Like this one still has this little bit open, and if there's a squirrel, a bird, even a lizard is smart enough to tip that open, get in there, and ruin your dryer vent system. Now, some people combat this by putting a screen on it, or sometimes these comes with a screen right here, which is also super dangerous because that will get clogged in a couple of months and cause a really bad fire hazard. So as a professional dryer vent cleaner, there's only one product that we recommend for a roof jack, and this is DryerJack by InOvate. This one's a little bit dusty, but this one is made of 1 piece of painted metal, so it won't rust. It won't start coming apart. There's no seams or anything. It's 1 piece. There is a big base, so it stays stable even in stormy weather. Here in Florida, we have stormy weather. And the best part is this damper system here. It lays flat, so an animal can't get under there and open it. And when your dryer's on, this is wide open. That huge hole is wide open for maximum airflow, much bigger than the opening in one of these. And it's smoother. The whole thing is smooth, so there's no place for all this lint to collect like on this one over here. And when it's on, it's open like this for maximum airflow. And then when the dryer's off, it's sealed. There's no reason to have a screen that will get clogged. It's sealed and no animals can get in. And then this makes it the safest. You're going to need a licensed roofer to install one of these, but click the link down below to get one at the best price.